In the wake of the Cold War's end, a new era dawned, promising unparalleled economic growth and prosperity. The world stood on the precipice of globalization, with nations yearning to connect and collaborate. This was the backdrop against which the World Trade Organization, WTO, was born. The WTO, established on January 1, 1995, was the culmination of years of negotiation and collaboration among nations. Its roots could be traced back to the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT, a treaty signed in 1947, aimed at lowering trade barriers and fostering international economic cooperation. However, GATT, with its piecemeal approach and lack of a permanent secretariat, was ill-equipped to handle the complexities of the burgeoning global economy. The need for a more robust and comprehensive organization was apparent. Thus, the Uruguay Round of GATT negotiations, which took place from 1986 to 1994, was instrumental in the creation of the WTO. The Uruguay Round, the most ambitious trade negotiation in history, aimed to expand the scope of GATT to include services, intellectual property, and agriculture, in addition to traditional goods. It was a daunting task, requiring the participation and cooperation of over 120 nations. The negotiations were fraught with challenges. Differences in economic systems, trade policies, and geopolitical interests made reaching a consensus a Herculean task. Yet, against all odds, the participating nations persevered. After 7 long years, on April 15, 1994, the Uruguay Round was brought to a successful conclusion in Marrakesh, Morocco. The Marrakesh Agreement, the founding charter of the WTO, was signed by 123 nations. The WTO was born, heralding a new era in international trade. It was designed to provide a forum for nations to discuss trade issues, negotiate agreements, and resolve disputes. The WTO's establishment marked a significant step towards a more integrated global economy. It offered a platform for nations to collaborate, foster economic growth, and promote development. However, the WTO's influence was not without controversy. Critics argued that it favored the interests of developed nations at the expense of developing ones, leading to an uneven playing field in global trade. Despite these criticisms, the WTO remains a powerful force in shaping the global economy. Its role in fostering trade liberalization, promoting economic cooperation, and resolving disputes continues to be of paramount importance. As we look towards the future, the WTO stands as a testament to the power of international cooperation and the potential for a more interconnected world. In conclusion, the establishment of the World Trade Organization was a momentous event in the history of global trade. Born from the ashes of the Cold War and the limitations of GATT, the WTO represented a new era of economic interdependence. Its successes and challenges serve as a reminder of the complexities and potential of international trade and cooperation.